Okay. Hello, radioactive people. Welcome to the channel once again. It is yours truly, radioactive. Today, my last video, posted a few years ago, I did the unboxing of the 13 Funko miniatures, turns out to be, I got from GameStop. And I told you then, but in my next video I was posting is going to be something electrifying. And I am talking electrifying. Today, right now, I am unboxing the Avengers Endgame Stormbreaker. That I also have. I also got from GameStop today. And it was $159.99. And my birthday is correct. I'm gonna buy something for myself. But I got some PowerPoints, so I knocked it down. But I'm not exactly how much how it's down. I'm not my receipt handy, but it knocked it down some from 159 down. So I'm happy about. Now, the Marvel's Avengers Endgame Stormbreaker, as y'all know, is the weapon that Thor had made for him from the dwarf after when they tried, in Endgame. Sorry, I'm buzzing on a few margaritas. Sorry. Let's see. Marvel's Avengers Endgame Stormbreaker, Electronic X. See, it's got lights and sounds. It's 44 inches, 111.8 centimeters. Assembly required. Let's see. The legends. Okay. Lights and sounds. Let's open this bad boy up, shall we? Like I said, Avengers Stormbreaker. Let's open this up, shall we? Oh, over there, the picture. Chris, who plays Thor? The short hair. He has short hair there. Let's see. That's one in. Oh. Here's the pamphlet. 18 plus. Sometimes for almost $200, you won't want no kids playing with it. Pamphlets on how to make it work it. I don't have no batteries on hand, so that part I'm just going to be unboxing on this video. I might make a video later on if y'all comment on it, see if y'all want to see how it is after it's assembled. Da, 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 da. Man. So it's tied down pretty good with some pretty thick can't talk right now. Tape and plastic. Mass pure beauty, actually. Real beautiful, actually. Man. Zip ties, that's what they're called. I say I've had 3 margaritas from the Mexican joint in town. So, I apologize for the video's not the best quality. Alright. I'm on to be back with some scissors.
Your room? your room? Your clean clothes, your dirty clothes, your trash, your food, your medicine?
Alright. Sorry about that. Let's try this, continue this video, shall we? Like I said, y'all bear with me these first few videos. I know they're cringy, paper talk. So you got advice on how to do these videos better? Just, comment below, please. I mean, I would love to hear any kind of help out. One. That's two. Oh, she is beautiful, isn't she? That part. So, it has a couple screws in there. Has the head of it. The staff. See if I can get this bad boy together, shall we? Oh, so I won't take it. Like I said, I'm gonna have to get some batteries. I thought about it, I got them before the video, but here she is. Stormbreaker. And now I have the power. I am worthy for Asgard. And then it's pretty detailed, good. I like it actually. It has Asgardian lettering in it. Of course, I have no idea what it means. I've got a friend who studies Nordic religion, so he might be able to help me out with that maybe. Because Asgardian is pretty much the Viking Nordic religion. Oh, I still got this cool Spider-Man shirt from GameStop today. But yes, here she is. Let's see. I got to figure out where the battery's at first. Need to turn it on, huh? Alright. If you see any, yeah. Alright. Let's see. Radar have out. Please like and subscribe below. Hit that bell for notifications. And like I said, tell your friends. Alright.